As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at two gas grills and having a tough time deciding. One is the Master Cook 3-burner, and the other is the Bull Steerhead. Got any insights?
Sure, let's dive in. The Master Cook is definitely more budget-friendly, around $199, while the Bull Steerhead is significantly pricier.
Price is a factor, for sure. What about size and cooking space?
The Master Cook has a slightly smaller cooking area, about 472 square inches, and its overall dimensions are 46.5 x 21 inches x 41 inches. The Bull has a larger 564 SQN cooking surface, but its dimensions are a bit smaller, around 26.63 x 24.13 x 21.25. So, depends if you need a wider cooking area or something more compact.
Gotcha. What about the burners and heat output?
Both have 3 stainless steel burners. The Master Cook puts out 30,000 BTUs total, while the Bull Steerhead boasts 15,000 BTUs per burner. That's a total of 45,000 BTUs, so it'll definitely get hotter faster.
Wow, that's a big difference. Anything else that stands out? Like features?
The Master Cook has foldable side shelves, which is handy for prep space and storage. The Bull, on the other hand, is built-in and made of heavier-duty 304 stainless steel, so it should be more durable. Oh, and the Master Cook is propane, while the Bull Steerhead is natural gas, so that will need to be taken into account.
Good point about the fuel type. How about the reviews?
The Master Cook has a lot more reviews, over 3,500, with an average of 4.2 stars. People seem to like its value and how it cooks. The Bull has far fewer reviews, only 30, but also a 4.1 star rating. Customers mostly praise its sturdy construction and well-designed burners.
Okay, so if I'm on a budget and need something portable with foldable shelves, the Master Cook seems like a good choice. But if I want something more durable, hotter, and don't mind the price, the Bull Steerhead might be better.
Exactly. It really boils down to your priorities and how you plan to use the grill. And, don't forget about the fuel type.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.